I'm at the CST station now, and today I'm going to take you a short ride in the Mumbai local train. I know you must have heard a lot about the Mumbai local. It's one of the best services in the world, best train services in the world, and one of the busiest in the world. So today I'm at the world famous CST station, and this is a inside look of the Mumbai local. So well made, so spacious, so broad, and it's a pretty cute train. So this is the world famous CST station, and this is the Mumbai local. I love coming to this place. The beautiful architecture of the station. I never get bored of seeing it again and again. I am sitting here, and trust me what, this is the morning time and I am commuting in the non-peak hours, and the local train without its crowd looks very sexy, and I agree that. It's the Mumbai local. Let's take you a short ride in the Mumbai local. This is the world famous CST station, and it's the busiest station in Mumbai after Dadar. Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. This is a fast train, and this is a train that stops only at important stations and makes people reach before time and reach quickly across various places in Mumbai. So enjoy the ride, guys. This is the world famous CST station, and I just love this station for how it is. What a beautiful piece of architecture and art this is. And here we go, the journey starts, and it's not any less than an adventure, the Mumbai local. I am proud to say that I'm a Mumbaikar, and travelling in the local is as good and as fancy as travelling in a sports car or a bike of your own. So here we go. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus. It's a bright sunny day. And a beautiful morning. So this is how we go on. And I'll take you a short tour of the Mumbai local. See, this is a Mumbai local coming, and so cute, so well made, so well designed, spacious, airy, comfortable. And the only word that comes out of my mind is cute, because I just love the Mumbai local trains for their swanky design, and they are very cute. Yeah, I agree to that. If anyone asks me how do you like the Mumbai local trains are the cutest things that I'll ever see in life, or see on this planet. So here you go. I'll take you a short tour of this place. This is South Bombay, and one of the most prestigious and well-known places in Mumbai, which has been a home to a diversity of cultures, not only from India but all over the world. The British architecture, the Portuguese, the French, the Parsis, and many more. And all over India, people all over from India come to Mumbai city to earn their livelihood or to live their dreams. So I just love traveling by the Mumbai local, especially getting a window seat can be very exciting, and even standing on the footboard can be a different experience altogether. Mumbai local Zindabad. hope you guys are enjoying it, and it looks no less than a film. And this is a real life experience. The non-crowded local trains look so sexy and yet so cute. And the crowded at the peak hours, the scene is just crazy and unimaginable. So here we go. The train started to pick up speed, and this is a fast train to Thane, from CST to Thane, and I have to get down at Mulund. So I will enjoy the ride as this train stops only at Dadar, Kurla, and then directly Mulund station. So this is no less than a super fast train, and I just wait to come by this train whenever I come to CST. So here we go. This is Sandals Road station. This is the intersection of Central Railway as well as the Harbour Line. The Harbour Line station is at the top, and the Central Railway station is here. And I am enjoying this ride. I hope you guys are enjoying it too. So here starts the high-rise buildings and the modern Mumbai, which many people don't know. Mumbai is not just about slums and dirtiness and pollution. It is about this huge buildings, the development, the architecture, the tourism, the beautiful places, landmarks, the oceans, and whatnot. Mumbai city is a world of its own. Here comes the high-rise buildings, which I just love it. Symbol of modern architecture and development. And you can say Mumbai has a perfect mix of traditional, modern, as well as the medieval cultures and history. And people from all over India, all across many cultures have established their presence in Mumbai city. So here is one train. Here we go, here comes Byculla station. These are the huge buildings, towers. So you can see this is the modern part of Mumbai. This is another face which no one tells. As India is always known as a poor country, as a city of slum, as a country of slums, poor people, dirtiness, pollution. But no one tells this that we are developing too. This is the Byculla station. People waiting to catch the train on their way to work on a Saturday morning. Oh, here comes the modern side of Mumbai city. And wow, so much of diversity, so much of culture, so much of diversity in all forms. People, in the landmarks, every place is built of diversity. Here we go. Here comes another side of Mumbai city, which no one talks about, or which no one. This is the interior of the Mumbai local. So well maintained, so spacious, and the Indian Railways is doing such a great job of running the Mumbai locals. There is a local train every 3-4 minutes, and people all over the city can connect to go to their respective places, and it's a lifeline of Mumbai. And it's a life of this home. People just, it has become a way of living. The crowd, the jam-packed trains, the busy crowded stations. So I hope you are enjoying the ride, and I just love the interiors of the train. So nice, so beautiful. Stainless steel, airy, spacious, and it's really a nice train and a nice mode of transport to travel. So here I am near Parel, Dadar, which is the heart of Mumbai city. And here starts coming the huge buildings, offices, residential towers, the offices, many headquarters of many companies. This is also Mumbai. This is also India, which no one talks about. So guys, I hope this was a ride for you also. So do subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and I'll take you all many places, all wherever I go, and share interesting experiences. And I hope you'll enjoy my videos, and I assure you I'll have something different or the other to say, to tell about any place in every video that I post. So goodbye, good luck, and have a nice day.